Listen and repeat.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you an artist?
No, I am not.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Are you at work?
Yes, I am.
Am I late?
Yes, you are.
Are these your keys?
Yes, they are.
Are we busy?
Yes, we are.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Are they friends?
No, they're not.
Are we lost?
No, we're not.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you from Canada?
No, I'm not.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is.
Is it sunny outside?
No, it's not.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is.
Is the coffee hot?
Yes, it is.
Are they married?
No, they're not.
Is Tom your best friend?
No, he's not.
Is she angry?
No, she isn't.
Is he your brother?
No, he isn't.
Is he your boss?
Yes, he is.
Is he a good swimmer?
Yes, he is.
Is she a computer programmer?
No, she's not.
Is she rich?
Yes, she is.
Is Amy sad?
Yes, she is.
Practice.
Are you sad?
No, I am not.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Am I rich?
No, you're not.
Is she your friend?
Yes, she is.
Is she a designer?
Yes, she is.
Is he smart?
No, he's not.
Is it sunny?
Yes, it is.
Are we family?
Yes, we are.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
Is he nice?
Yes, he is.
Is she humble?
No, she isn't.
Is it sour?
No, it isn't.